Hey guys, it's Crazy Crafter here again. I was just outside and in the woods over there, way down there. Like we have a creek back there, and it's really sick. There's a creek down there, and there's a tree across it. Yeah, it's really cool. It's like a tree across the river. It's really awesome. It's like a fallen down tree. And I'm building, this is going to be crazy, guys. Super crazy. I'm building a human-sized bird nest. And I'm building it out of mud. Way down there in the woods. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool, but I was building it out of mud, and I might need cement for this, like a construction, but yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. Okay. Oh, guys, I have something really cool to show you that I haven't showed you before. Wait. Okay. Look at that. Trust me, I'm a gamer shirt. A remote. And look what came with it, guys. Look what came with it. Some of these things. Look. It like puts it down like that. And it's really cool that, okay, this stuff, it's really cool, and it's like a really cool headphones, and it has a skull on it. See that? It's really awesome, and they work really good. Before you get it at Kroger. I mean, not at Kroger, that's a food shop on Kohl's. Yeah. It's pretty cool, right? Tiger's outside, my dog, running, and when he chases after a squirrel, he's like jumps and then runs like a deer. He's like boing boing and then boing, and it's so hilarious. In the last video I took, he was like scratching his neck or something around his collar. And he was like, around there. It was so funny. Okay, well, see you in another video. And, I don't know what I'm gonna do next. But, yeah. Okay, that's about it. Yeah. Oh, and I killed my sister's Lego. Whoopsies. I actually meant to do it. Just dropped it. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.